welcome back to my channel. I have my voice back. I don't know if y'all been tuned in on my Instagram channel, but my voice has literally been gone since I got back from India. I was not out there partying. We literally didn't even go to one party. I was not out there screaming. I don't know what happened. I literally got home and I woke up the next full day after landing back in Dallas and my throat was scratchy and I didn't have a voice. So I'm a little raspy, but it's actually kind of cute. I was like, wait, why do I like my voice like this? Because I haven't had a voice. I couldn't film anything all week. I've literally just been taking it really slow because my body is just like adjusting from being back from India. I've been working from home these past few days, which has literally been lovely, great, amazing. Life is worth living when you can work from home, bro. If you go into an office 3, 4, 5 times a week, then you already know working from home literally is just like heaven, like music to your ears. And I have so much to do. Again, if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen that I've tapped into my cooking era. Anyone who knows me knows I do not like to cook. But I was like, honestly, once I get back from India, I'm locking in with my fitness goals, my health goals, and my eating habits. I'm tired of eating out because food really just doesn't hit. Like, I go out to restaurants and I pay $30, $40, $50 and I'm like, this was literally not even good. Something must change, and it did. So I signed up for Blue Apron. Blue Apron, if you happen to be watching this, sponsor your girl, send her a free package. I got 5 meals that delivered last week. That was a lot. Cooking 5 meals in a week was actually kind of crazy. I just felt so tired. I literally felt like Molly the freaking maid. I was like, I don't want to do this anymore. But one thing I'm not gonna do is waste money, so best believe I was out there cooking. My next delivery comes today and it has already arrived. It's in the locker downstairs. I'm kind of mad that they didn't drop it off at my door because the box is literally heavy. It's 5 meals with 2 servings, so essentially a total of 10 meals. Also, guys, I've been doing way too much shopping. I'm still in the process of decorating my house because I just moved in like 5, 6 months ago. It really just hasn't been a priority. Like, I got a couch, I got a bed, I got a TV, I'm cool. And I honestly don't know how long I'm gonna be here. So that's always the other thing in the back of my head. I'm like, you're gonna buy all this stuff and then you're gonna move in the next year because y'all know I don't sit still. I order bar stools. I order like a TV stand. I order so much stuff. Like, I order new sheets. It's already 6 o'clock. I need to cook and I have a video that I need to edit for you guys to watch the vlog of India. I literally haven't edited that. Y'all, it's like 2.5 hours worth of footage. So your girl is tired. When I tell you working a 9 to 5 and doing content creation, editing, vlogging, traveling is so much, bro. It's so much. Oh, it's so much. So I've been trying to balance it all. I don't know how well I'm doing, but I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Let's lock in. Keep me locked in, y'all, because I will literally sit here and talk to y'all with my raspy voice. I have to go to the car first to get my wagon because there's literally like 5 packages downstairs waiting for me and I'm not. It's no man in this house, so I gotta do it all myself. Bro, I don't want to carry all of this stuff. First, I have to clean the dishes when we get back. I'm gonna turn some music on. We're gonna vibe out. We're gonna vibe out, bro. I can't think too much about this because when I think too much, I want to go lay down on that couch. That couch that's sitting right in front of me. Let's get to it. I don't know what's been going on this week, but literally 2 men in my complex have tried to talk to me this week. I don't know, maybe I'm just looking good this week. I don't know. Here is the wagon. It's really big, but I don't know if it's gonna fit all of the packages that I have. Oh, this is mine. Why would they leave this here? Oh my gosh, there's no way I'm gonna be able to get this in my apartment. It's here. Package is taller than me. Yeah, I couldn't pick that up, y'all. I have to leave it there and then come back and get it with the dolly. But the dolly is in the leasing office and the leasing office is closed. Don't get me started on this property. If you guys look in that corner, you'll literally see all of the packages that I've bought that just haven't been unpacked. I'm giving you guys a quick little like unboxing tour. Cute little shower caddy for the bathroom to elevate the space. So that's probably gonna sit in a box for another week and a half. I bought this vegetable slicer. They say it's really hard to clean, so honestly I may be returning this. I bought this home diffuser with like a scent and it's Bluetooth controlled and it comes with 3 different scents. Y'all, I'm so excited to open this. this. I got this from Costco. I also got this cute organizer for your stuff. So I want to put like perfume, face wash, like all your bathroom essentials on this. And then I also bought this from Costco. New plates and bowls. I love these like round, like circular bowls. Oh my gosh, I just looked at the dishes.
When all of a sudden I hear this agitating, grating voice.
Literally the dishes are the agitating sound. Let's open up the package and see what we have for the week. I'm not putting this on my counter because this box has been all over the back of somebody's truck. And now that we've unboxed all of the food, this is a lot of food. That's why I said I was stressed. It's 5 meals, but 2 servings for each, so a total of 10 meals. They also send you these like instruction manuals, which thank you! Because for people like me who need you to break it down to a step-by-step, it literally has like a complete checklist that you can go through. They let you pick your meals, but you have to pick them by a certain date. Otherwise, it'll just automatically ship it to you. I think I was literally still in India and I got an email saying, oh, your meals have been automatically curated and we're going to send this to you based off your preferences. So I'm trying to figure out what I want to cook today. I'm probably going to cook whatever takes the longest because I have time today. Again, it's 6:51, y'all. Also, in the corner, it'll have like how long approximately it takes to do each meal, which I literally love that. 35 to 45 minutes are the longest ones. So we've got our top 2. I don't want salmon, so we're gonna make the meatloaf. Honestly, I'm not a big meatloaf lover, and it's so funny because I love a burger, but I do not like meatloaf. Like, please keep it in burger form. Thank you so much. And I don't hate meatloaf, it's just not like my preference. Like, I just would never go somewhere and order it. But let me get everything situated and then put everything else up in the fridge for tomorrow. I like to order everything by the meal, so that way when it's time to cook it, I'm not looking through all the ingredients. So I have the first meal of salmon here, the shrimp tacos here, and then the 2 chicken meals here. Y'all, also, it looks like they sent me another meal by accident because I don't eat pork. Y'all, I've never made meatloaf in my life. Let's get into it. I'm tired of this, Grandpa. You just need a good girls' night. Did you not do that today? No, for real. It's entertaining and it's, mind you, it's 8:38. Like, we're so behind schedule. This is the final version of the meatloaf. Should it be sticking to the thing? Oh, Lord, I'm tired. It's literally really sticking to the aluminum foil. Meatloaf is literally one big ass burger and that's crazy. Guys, it's 8:41. I'm so tired. This meal took way too long. But I want to show y'all the finished product. So this is the cauliflower. I put a little sauce over it. It tastes better than it looks. It looks good, but it just tastes better. Know that, okay? The mashed potatoes are great. Y'all have my corporate headshots tomorrow. Tomorrow is gonna be a little insane because I have to work out at 6 a.m. Come back, shower, and make sure my hair looks good. I'll check in with y'all a little later because after this, I'm gonna lay down and I do need to edit, but we'll see. Confirming that I'm not gonna get any editing done tonight, y'all. And I didn't even make my lunch for tomorrow. I mean, I have the food made, obviously, but I didn't put it into the lunch box. I didn't put my fruit in there. I already have my smoothie made, so that's good. I didn't boil my eggs yet, which I was gonna do that now, but I'm so tired that I might fall asleep and then the eggs will literally burn the house down. So I'm just gonna do that in the morning, like after I leave the gym. And like I said, my headshots are tomorrow, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair. I don't know what I'm gonna wear to work tomorrow. I literally don't know. Nothing is planned, but I'll think about it as I lay down. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready for bed and I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. It's currently 5:30 in the morning. I've literally been up since 4 a.m. Why do I do this to myself every time? So I have a work trip, and the work trip was supposed to start yesterday, but it was storming so bad here in Dallas, they canceled my flight. Because honestly, I was just flying in a day early just to like gallivant around New York, but we don't actually start our activities until today. Once we land, I'll drop my stuff off at the hotel, and then we have like 2 hours before the happy hour. And then after the happy hour, we're going to a Knicks basketball game. So I'm really excited for that. I feel like this is where the real team bonding happens on like these off-site events. So I'm excited to see how my colleagues are gonna act. Because you know, once you get some alcohol in you, they start pouring the tea. So I'm really excited to hear all the tea. I just got out the shower. I scheduled my Uber for 6:40. So I currently have literally an hour. Y'all know I'm not packed. Why would I be packed? I don't know what I'm about to wear, but I need these outfits to eat. Let's get to it.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome aboard. It's taking you over to New York LaGuardia. We do apologize for the late departure out of here. We will be getting underway here shortly. Once we leave the ground, 2 hours, 39 minutes to get you to New York LaGuardia.
We're on the way to the game, guys. Oh, this is it. Yeah. What's going on right now? Woo! Go Sports! I mean, it's been years. I feel like I re-downloaded. Good morning, vlog. Y'all, last night literally was kind of crazy. Let me tell you, at a work happy hour, they love to drink. So they were drinking. Y'all know I don't even do all that with my coworkers, but it was a good night. I'm on the way to Pilates now. We ended up staying out until like 1 a.m. and we got our New York slice of pizza. The pizza really wasn't hitting though. Like that was not a good New York slice of pizza place. But obviously, what can you expect at 1 a.m.? So anyway, I got to sleep in, and my definition of sleeping in is sleeping until 8 a.m. because y'all know I'm an early riser in general. So, and it's raining here. So anyway, I don't have any meetings today. My meetings actually start tomorrow. So today there's a dinner that we have to go to at like 5. So I'm really free until 5. My day is very chill. So I'm so grateful for that. After Pilates, I'll probably go back to the room, shower, and then get lunch. So yeah. I did not end up vlogging the rest of the trip because it was just a lot of work related stuff. The trip was amazing. I always love going to New York for work. We are headed back to Dallas, home sweet home. I will catch you guys on the next vlog and I hope you guys enjoyed this.